Good morning, Tigers. This is Coach Bogert. I apologize for not having a video of myself on this as well as my voice, but I'm recording it at home and I don't have a camera on my computer. I wanted to start this video with one of my favorite quotes that I heard when I was a teenager at AAU Nationals for basketball in Ogden, Utah. We were lucky enough to hear the Stanford women's basketball coach, Tara Vanderveer, talk. And she talked about this quote right here: shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. And I think I took her quote to heart on our first assignments this week. The workout logs seem to be a little bit too much for us. I don't think that I have had enough time to instruct students on all the details of the assignment. So that takes me to my second quote, that my failing on my first attempt in learning. And so it was a new assignment that I had not done before. And I can tell that we are just not quite ready for it. So that takes me to my motto for 2020 is patience, grace, and flexibility. And I appreciate all three of these from you guys this week. I do want to show you the new assignment that I have created for you. I think it will be much simpler to fill out, not nearly as many things to try to keep track of for both you and for me. So what it is an activity log, and you will find it in the week 2 folder. And all you will need to do is click on it. Now yours will look different than mine. I don't have access to a student account, so I can't show you exactly what it will look like on the student side, but I can show you most of it. And then there is a video right here that from somebody that does have access to the student side that can show you how to submit it. It's very simple compared to what we were trying to do earlier. So anyway, what it is an activity log, and the directions are in here. The assignment is worth 10 points. I've put the FIT principles and the RPE intensity scale in here so that you can use it as reference. What you will do is perform and record at least 3 hours or 180 minutes of physical activity this week in the log. So you're going to record it in the log. I'm going to show you that in just a second. This can include sports practices and games, walks, jogs around the neighborhood, bike rides, swimming, trampoline, jumping, skateboarding, dance, weightlifting, something off the Tiger Fitness board, or anything else that I've forgotten that gets you moving and your heart rate up. What you will include in the log, and it's all already there, you just need to fill it in, the date and the day, the frequency of the activity, the intensity of the activity, the time, the type of the activity, and then this is added a digital signature. So instead of a picture, we're going to do a digital signature. The total time, again, needs to be greater than or equal to 180 minutes. And I've also changed the due date. Instead of things being due by Friday at midnight, I'm going to give you guys the weekend to do these as well. So they are now going to be due by Sunday at 8 p.m. So that gives you the weekend to turn it in, and that gives me Sunday evening to go through them and update grades prior to Monday morning. Right? So what does the activity log look like? Here it is. You guys will have the power to type. Oh, I do too. The power to type directly on here. This is what it looks like. Again, your goal is to complete at least 3 hours or 180 minutes of activity this week. On a quote unquote normal week where we have Monday as well, that will probably change to 5 hours or 4 or 5 hours. We'll kind of see how it goes. It may change, it may not change. I'll let you know next week. This is, again, it's your choice of what you would like to do. You'll record this here. And I've given you an example. So Monday, 9/20/20, First activity of the week is the frequency. Intensity was vigorous at a level of 7. If you're not sure about that, you can refer back to that chart in the directions. The time was for 60 minutes. The type was soccer practice. And then I had my mom type in her name, Mrs. Moore, as she's validating that this is true, that I really did that, right? So then maybe on Wednesday, this would be the second activity of the week. Let's go with moderate, level 6. Let's say it was for 30 minutes. I jumped on my trampoline. And again, I would have my mom come in, or my dad, or a grandparent, or again, a caregiver at home. They would validate this, saying that, yes, my student did this. Okay, and then maybe I don't work out on Thursday, but I do on Friday. Sorry, I'm including this Monday as part of mine. So this is my first activity. Second activity, I'm going to say third activity of the week. I'm going to go back to vigorous. 60 minutes. I had another soccer practice. Again, my caregiver, parent, guardian, somebody that is that can vouch for me that I really did this activity, will type their name in there. And so now I'm on Friday, and I have a total of, let's see, 60 plus 60 is 120, 30 more is, I have 150 minutes. So over the weekend, I'm going to need to get at least 30 more minutes. So let's say that on Sunday, I complete my fourth activity of the week. This time we'll go with moderate, 5. Let's say it was 30 minutes. Oops, 30 minutes. And I went on a bike ride. And again, I will have my parent, guardian, caretaker type in their name. Sorry, I put my own name. And then I would have that filled out. And then for the total, I need to add up the minutes. They need to add up to 180 minutes, which is a total of 3 hours. So I have 60 and 60, which is 120, 30 is 150, and 30 more is 180. Now I added exactly, but if you go above 180 minutes a week, that is perfectly fine. What you can't do is go under 180 minutes in the week, because that is the criteria that you would need to meet, is 180 or more minutes this week of activity. And then when you get that done, then you will submit it. You do have to submit it in Schoology, and there will be a button here where you will be able to hit submit. Again, I can't show you that because I don't have access to a student account, but it is just right here on this page. So you can complete it here, and then you can come back here and submit. I will be available to answer questions via email or phone if you guys have any, as you guys are filling this out this week. Again, I apologize for kind of overestimating what we could do with the fitness logs. We'll try the activity log for a week or two, give me some more time to spend with the students explaining the different fit components that we're going to be working on, and then maybe in a few weeks we'll come back to those fitness logs and try them again. Thank you guys for your time. Again, if you have any questions, please contact me.